Remember, MC stands for manufacturing cost, MP stands for market price. Cost per unit manufactured, 10 lakh divided by 40,000, the cost per manufacture is 25. It is available in the market for 22. What you will do? Stop manufacturing, go for buy. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your ALsir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing your corporate tax planning, Unit 4, Session 7. In this, we are discussing the topic called tax planning and managerial decisions. As you know that we have many topics in this particular unit, and in that we have discussed own fund versus borrowed fund. We discussed own fund versus lease fund, and now we are discussing the topic called your make or buy decisions. And already you have learned in the management accounting what is make or buy decision, like your advanced cost and management. Almost it is similar but not exact, because in the accounts or management accounting we go in the accounting point view, but in the taxation we have to check how much tax you are supposed to pay. All those things you are supposed to keep it in your mind. And today we will work out 3 problems on make or buy decisions. That is more than sufficient. Still we'll do another 4 or 5 problems, sufficient for your examination. Your agenda, problems on make or buy decisions. Problem number 1. Company requires 40,000 units of component every year. Every year, how much they require? 40,000. How many years we are planning? We are planning for 5 years. They can either be manufactured by the company or be bought from the market. From the information given below, suggest to the company whether it should make the component or buy it from the market. Which is the better option we are supposed to do? Again, I'll repeat. A company requires 40,000 every year for 5 years. So, from the following information, should they buy or should they manufacture? Now, if they manufacture, what are the cost like? Cost of the material 8 per unit they are giving, and labor cost 12, variable overhead is 4. These are the costs supposed to be incurred. Now, if the company manufactures the component, it requires purchase of a machine. Not only this, they have to purchase machine also. Like, you want to manufacture this one. What you want? You want raw material? Yes. You want labor cost? Yes. You want variable overhead? Yes. Along with that, to manufacture, you want machine also. Without machine, you cannot manufacture anything. Like, it proposes to purchase the machinery by borrowing a loan from the bank. The present value of cash outflow for 5 years, it is like 2 lakh. So, what is the loan you are borrowing? 2 lakh worth rupees loan you are borrowing. Now, 2 lakh worth rupees loan you are borrowing for 5 years. Now, the company is available in the market at 22 rupees. See, these are your cost along with your fixed cost also. Everything is given. The same product is available at what price? 22 rupees in the market. And what will be the decision if the market price of the company is 28? So, if it is available in the market for 22, what is your option? You will go for make or buy. If the market price is 28, will you go for this? Will you go for this? You are supposed to tell. Manufacturing cost, marketing. Remember, MC stands for manufacturing cost, MP stands for market price. Hope you understood. I'll make it clear. You can make or you can buy. So, will you make or will you buy for 22? Second answer. Will you make or will you buy it for 28? This is question number 1. This is question number 2. 2 times we are supposed to do. Now, we'll go for your answer in this. Computation of cost per unit if the company is manufacturing, like total variable cost 24, like 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 4 it is 24 rupees, 24. Fixed cost, what is a fixed cost? Your 2 lakh is the value of the machine, yes. Number of years of the machine, 5 years. 2 lakh divided by 5, it will be like 40,000. I'll come back to this. Wait. So 2 lakh divided by 5, it is 40,000. How come you got this 9 lakh 60? Very simple. Like number of units 40,000. Now this one multiplied with 40,000. So how much you will get? 9 lakh 60,000. 9 lakh 60 plus 40. The total answer is 10 lakh. If you go for manufacture, your cost will be how much? 10 lakh. Now, you have 10 lakh now. Cost per unit manufactured. 10 lakh divided by 40,000. The cost per manufacture is 25. The same thing you have done in management accounting. The same thing you have done in your advanced cost. Similar thing only I have done, but next step little changes. Up to this, any doubt? No doubt. Now, so total the cost divided by number of units, you will get 25 rupees per unit. Now, if you manufacture 25, it will not change. But first option, it is available in the market for 22. What you will do? Stop manufacturing, go for buy. So, buy, the market price is lesser than your current price, your manufacturing price. And second option, 25 is a manufacturing cost and 28 is available in the market. So, CP stands for cost price. The market price is more than your cost price. So, please go for make option. Hope you got it. Easily, you can score 10 marks. Easy? Yes, very easy. You can score 10 marks easily. Now, the next one, problem number 2. Don't spend much time on problem 2 and 3 because you understood the concept. Now, how many units required? 12,000. Number of years is what? 5 years. And these are the informations are there. And what is the normal cost? 10 plus 13, 23 plus 15, 38. Almost 38 rupees is the cost. Clear? Along with that, what will come? Along with this, we have to work out your total machinery cost also. What is the machinery cost in this? Your machinery cost is 4 lakh for 5 years. What is the machinery cost? 4 lakh for 5 years. 4 lakh divided by 5. Hope you are clear. Yes. And the same thing available in the market, 30 as well as 25. If it is 30 available in the market, what will be your answer? If it is available in the market for 25, what will be your answer? This is what you are supposed to do. Now, so what is the cost? Add everything. You got 38. Yes. No need of multiplying individually. 38 you can multiply with number of units. 12,000. Now, after this, what is the cost? 4 lakh is the value of the asset divided by number of years, 5 years. 4 lakh divided by 5, you get 80,000. Add everything, you will get 5 lakh 36,000. Divided by number of units, 45. 45 is the manufacturing price. 45 is the manufacturing price. But available in the market at what price? 30. If it is available in the market for 30, why do you manufacture? Same thing available for 25. Why do you manufacture? So, in the both the option, you have to go for buy only. Hope you are clear. Yes, good. I'll go for the last one, your problem number 3. In this problem number 3, the company requires 25,000. Number of years 6. In the first paragraph, we need only 2 informations. Now, total cost is how much? 10 plus 15, 25 plus 8, 33. Your answer is 33. Then, if the company manufactures the company, it requires the purchasing machine. What is the value of the machine? 1,80,000. What is the number of years? 6. 1,80,000 divided by 6. It will be 30,000. The same thing is available in the market at what price? 80. We'll do the calculation. Now, cost of material 10, 15, 8. It will be 33. No need of all this calculation. Directly you can calculate 33 multiplied with number of units. 25,000. Add your fixed total, it is 8,55,000. 8,55,000 divided by 25,000, 34.2. Now, if you manufacture, you will get it for 34.2. If you go and buy in the market, it is available for what price? 80. Will you buy or will you manufacture? 100% you will manufacture, because huge cost of 80 if you go and buy in the market. If you manufacture, you will get it only for 34. So, answer is make. Hope you are clear. This much only you are supposed to do. I'll go back to your previous slides. So, this is your question number 1. Your solution part. Your conclusion for question number 1. Question number 2. Your solution part. Your final result, conclusion. Question number 3. Solution part. I have given conclusion here itself compared to your 80. So this is buy, this is make. So out of this, which is better? Make is better. So we'll go for make. So this is all about your today's session. I hope this is the easiest session for you because easy to understand. Please work out this because easily you will score 10 marks. Thank you.